All right, we're looking at a pressure gauge, a fizz-giz soda rope, and a paintball tank. So this is the third generation soda rope. You'll notice that it has it looks quite different than the old soda rope and the second generation soda rope. Um, I have a knob on top that allows you to adjust the pressure quite easily. I have a pressure gauge that you can look to get an exact reading of the pressure at which you are dispensing. So, but it all works pretty much the same. You turn on the gas on the paintball tank by turning this knob counterclockwise. Then you can adjust the pressure by dialing it up to whatever you want. And take a look at your other gauge over here. So you know, you kind of get, you know, whoops, wrong one. Get the reading off of both of them. Here we're, you know, around 40, so there appears to be a difference in a reading of, you know, a couple of pounds, but I don't worry too much about that. Here we're getting up to, you know, around 60, and here we're getting up to around 80. And this will go all the way up to around, let's see, what, 120 psi. So you can do this, by the way, with any of my soda ropes. This tubing that comes out of the soda rope is the soda rope base unit. I call this whole regulator assembly a base unit. Is common to all the soda ropes, and normally at the end of this tubing, instead of a gauge, there would be a dispenser of some type. I've used the black banana shaped dispensers and standard modified air blowers as dispensers. So you know, it's just a matter of disconnecting the dispenser from the end of the tubing and putting one of these pressure gauges on. Now, in order to use a pressure gauge and attach the tubing to it, if you'll notice, the gauge itself has a brass connector. Now, you'll need to get one of these additional devices, which is an adapter that allows you to plug tubing into the quick connect fitting on the adapter and screw the pressure gauge itself into the other end of the adapter. So you will need an adapter in addition to the pressure gauge, but this is one of the ways that you can measure pressure at the tip. So turn this back down here. Okay, hopefully helpful. Quick disconnect is very handy. You just press in on the collet, and you know, out pops the tubing. Okay, hopefully helpful.